Hi there, this is your friend Virendra Diyar. This is the cloudy sky as you can see, and anytime it can rain. In our life also, frequently we have clouds, darkness, gloom, disappointment, miseries, suffering, sorrow, hindrances, obstacles, adversities. And we think that now this is the end of the story and we can never overcome such uncongenial circumstances, and we become disappointed, discouraged, and we become beguiled to surrender before such misfortune and adversities. But beloved friends, your friend Virendra Diyar, having learned lessons from various scriptures, wise men, great men, poets, prophets, thinkers, want to inspire you that never be disappointed, discouraged, but rather get more motivated and more inspired, because every problems you are facing now will have definitely a solution. And as you are backed by very wise people around you, seek their advice, think over the problem very seriously and deeply, and find out the solutions of that problems. Change your plan. If one plan has failed, see what other better plan can be there which is more practical and which can really bring you success in your life. And never quit, never give up, never surrender before such misfortune, adversities, because then you will be a quitter and you can never be able to attain the aim of your life which you love very much, which you desired very intensely. It was a passion for you, and you will not be proud to celebrate the successful moments of your life. So when the cloud of disappointment, failures, adversities and all the negativities and congenial circumstances are surrounding you, I want to draw your attention to the great lessons which Gita has taught. Through Krishna it was told to Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. He said, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phalesu kadachano ma karmphal hetu bho mate sango vasta karmani. Your pious duty, solemn task is to perform your duty with total dedication, commitment, and to the best of your ability, but you have no right over the result of your action. Means you can really cause. You have right over your cause, your thought and action. And once you have completed your thought and action, it has been into deeds, then the result is beyond your reach. That is different. So very piously and very intensely dedicate yourself, commit yourself to your pious and solemn duty of performing your task with total dedication, commitment, passion and full concentration and attention. Failing after failing, falling after falling, defeats after defeat, you must rise with tremendous courage, conviction, determination, belief and faith. Overall, this is life. This is life of heroic struggle to attain your goal, treading down all difficulties and dangers. You should never know the word defeat. You should never know the word failure, because these are only your testing patience. Nobody failed who was determined to win. Look at Columbus. He could not find America overnight. Look at the great warriors. They also have such kind of moments when they were disappointed, discouraged. But they were wise people. They wanted a life of heroic struggles and heroic temper. And they never refused. They always believe in the philosophy to strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. So the Gita lessons will be always enlightening you, guiding you to become a brave man who never know the word defeat. Change your plan. Try this very effectively and very sincerely. If that is not working, change your plan again, in persistency in changing the plan after plans. And a time will come that one plan will be really very rewarding and very successful. I know my friend, one of the friend child was a great tennis player. She wanted to do wonders in life, but she has got several adversities and misfortune in her life. In the early childhood, she got ACL broken, but it was repaired. After that, she got tennis elbow. That was also very threatening to her career of tennis, but still she never refused. She changed over from single-handed to double-handed, and today she has been Wimbledon. She is the world best tennis champion, because if you have a will and desire and determination, and you persistently change your plan and always see brightness, the hope of rays, a silver tint in the clouds of doubts and fears and frustration, you are bound to come flying colors. That is the message I want to convey you. When the mountain of difficulties are surrounding you, and you see there is no way to pass and climb that mountain, still you try, and try vigorously and effectively and with lot of courage and conviction. And you will see the mountain will melt, and you will tread down all these kind of obstacles fearlessly with lot of courage, conviction, belief and faith. Because you know the lives of great men all remind us, we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints of the sands of time. All have the suffering, all have the sorrows. It was never a cakewalk for any great man, and you are such a great person on this planet Earth. Just believe in yourself. Just believe in your power of desire, power of persistence, power of will. And definitely, when there is a great desire and there is intense willpower, they are irresistible combination, and you are bound to be successful in life. So I tell you, friends, you may have failed. You have faced a lot of adversities and misfortune, obstacles, hindrances, but never refuse, but never surrender before it. Always refuse to beguile, to surrender before it. They are just stimulating your willpower, your determination, your daring, your courage and conviction. And if you keep on fighting, the battle will be won by you. You have to have one resolve in your mind, win or perish, victory or death, do or die. And be optimistic. Always believe there is only one word, victory, victory and victory for you. And you are bound to be victorious. That is the message I want to give you. I summarize. Every problem has a solution. But you should never be discouraged and disappointed when temporary defeats, adversities, misfortune has surrounded you. Maybe there is a darkness all around you. But always remember, there will be a silver tint in the clouds of doubts, confusion, fear and frustration. Come out with great courage, conviction, belief and faith in yourself, in your God, in your Lord. And always remember the sloka from the Gita, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phalesu kadachano ma karum phal hetu bhu ma te sango ast karmani. I repeat, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phalesu kadachano ma karum phal hetu bhu ma te sango asta karmani. Your duty is to perform your task without being bothered about the outcome of your result. And you are not the cause of the reward you are getting in terms of your success. And you have no right to be inactive any time in your life. You have to just strive to seek, to find and not to yield. Thank you very much. This is your beloved friend Virendra Diyar, a servant of the mankind, always rendering great service in the form of motivation and inspiration. Thank you and bye from now. Virendra Diyar here.